Hi, I am Abdullah, and today we are going to learn the Pythagorean theorem. So, the Pythagorean theorem mainly says that for a right triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse C, A square plus B square is equals to C square. This is the basic concept of the Pythagorean theorem. But remember, it's just for a right triangle. You cannot use this for all triangles. It's just for a right triangle. So, to understand the Pythagorean theorem, we are going to use a special example. In our special example, the hypotenuse is 5 and the two legs is 4 and 3. So, here you can see that our first leg was 3 and 3 square is equals to 9. And our second leg was 4 and 4 square is equals to 16. And the hypotenuse was 5 and 5 square is equals to 25. So, here you can see what we have do and we have done that according to the Pythagorean theorem, we put a square on the two legs and also in the hypotenuse. So, here the value we get that 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. Yeah, you can see that according to the Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square is equals to c square. And we can see exactly that. Yeah, that means the Pythagorean theorem has been proved and we proved that. Yes? Okay. So, now if we rearrange the squares also, we can see the the same shape of and the two legs square and the hypotenuse square. This is the same. So, the Pythagorean theorem is true. And maybe you are thinking that why we need the Pythagorean theorem and where we can use this. Yeah. So, suppose we have this right triangle. We know the value of the two legs, but we don't know the value of the hypotenuse. So, as we know the Pythagorean theorem, we can find what we know to what we don't know. Yes, as we know as the Pythagorean theorem says that a square plus b square is equals to c square. So, if we named these legs A and this B, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that who is A or B. Yes, so you can named them according to your wish. Yeah, and the hypotenuse is always C. Yes. Okay. So, according to the Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square is equals to c square. Or what was the value of A? Two square plus B, B was 3 square is equals to C square. Or 4 plus 9 is equals to c square, or 13 is equals to c square, or if we add a root here, then the square is vanished and the final result will be c is equals to root 13. Yes, that means the hypotenuse is root 13. Yes, so what here you can see where we can use the Pythagorean theorem, that if we know the value of the two legs, we can easily find out that what's the value of the hypotenuse. Yes, and you can make another variants of the Pythagorean theorem also. In the screen you can see that c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Yeah, this is the same. A squared plus b squared is equals to c squared, and also c squared is equals to root a squared plus b squared, and a squared is equals a is equals to root c square minus b square, and also b is equals to root c square minus a square. So you can take a screenshot of this or note this because this is important, or you can find this by simple calculation of the main Pythagorean theorem. Yeah, this for today. See you in the next class. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.